Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So in today's video, we are going to learn how you can create a ribbon chart. First of all, let's learn why do we need a ribbon chart. The purpose for a ribbon chart is basically to visualize changes in ranking or values across categories over time. Ribbons connect categories, showing how their ranking shifts. It quickly compares trends and ranks changes in a clear visual way. So now let's create a ribbon chart and learn more about it. So first of all, I'm going to choose the ribbon chart. And now we have a blank ribbon chart right on our Power BI report. After that, I'm going to work with 3 columns. So I'm going to put order date in x-axis and sales in y-axis. So now as you can see that this is a sort of a column chart that we are visualizing right now. But to get ribbons out of it, you have to put a legend. So it will create ribbons in the visual. So right now we can visualize that we have data for like 4 years from 2011 to 2014. So let's say we are going to work with regions. So I'm going to put regions in legend. And then now you can see we have some sort of ribbons. And right now it is a bit confusing. So now let's learn what is happening in this chart. So I'm going to put it on focus mode. So it basically shows us that the purple is central region and it is at the top, and as we can see that it is continuously increasing every year. So for 2011 we had around 2 lakhs sales, but then it increased in the next year, and then it also increased in 2013 and then in 14. But now let's talk about this region, which is North Asia. It was around 1 lakh in 2011, but then as we can see that it is going down. And in 2012 our sales decreased for this region. It went around 57,000, and then it again increased in 2013 and then again decreased in 2014. So this is how you can understand a ribbon chart. It looks kind of complex, but once you understand how to read the visual, it is pretty easy and it provides a clear visualization of the data. I hope you learned something new in the video. Let us know your feedback below in the comments. See you in the next video.